Best free WordPress plugins. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you what are some free WordPress plugins that you should definitely check out. So let's get started. Now when it comes to WordPress plugins, there are hundreds of them. So I have kind of like made a list for you in different categories, so you will have a better idea which plugin you should go for in each category, and it will help you create your own amazing WordPress hub. So the first plugin that I have for you is for SEO, and the platform is known as rankmath.com. This is an SEO tool that you can add to your WordPress. It is a very easy platform to use, simple sign up. You simply add it to your WordPress and it helps you with your SEO and helps you land your website among the top, Rank Math helps you with your SEO analyzer. Then there is Google Search Console, keyword ranking. So we're getting a lot of tools within our Rank Math. So this is actually a pretty good plugin that you can add for your SEO to your WordPress. And the good thing is that it is completely free. You will be able to get the best results with Rank Math, and you will be able to work on the SEO and improve the SEO of your WordPress website. The next tool is for the image optimization, and you can check out tinyjpg.com. It is a free platform that allows you to do image optimization for your website. So what you can do is you can resize the image, you can do image optimization. You simply drop your PNG or JPEG files right here, and then you can actually add up to 20 images, and it is completely free. You don't even have to sign up to kind of like get started with it. Very easy platform to use, and you can add it as your plugin to your WordPress website for your image optimization, and then you will not need to kind of like go ahead and use different platforms. You will simply be able to convert your heavy image into a simple a tiny JPG. So this is jpg.tinyjpg.com. Go ahead and check it out right now. The next plugin for push notification, we have onesignal.com. Onesignal.com is a push notification for emails, SMS, and in-app. You can add this to your WordPress and it will help you with a lot of different features. We not only get push notification, we have other features as well. For example, of course, the mobile push notifications, web push notification, we have email, in-app messages, SMS, and journeys as well. It also helps marketers to it is a simple 15-minute setup. Then you can also get real-time reporting. A pretty good platform, very easy, and you get notifications in time. So if you are looking to get notification, and if you're like worried that you don't get notifications on time, then you can definitely check out onesignal.com and add it to your WordPress for your push notifications. So definitely go ahead and check out onesignal.com, and it is completely free and helps you with your SMS and push notifications for your WordPress. If we talk about the website builder for your WordPress, then you can check out breezy.io. Breezy.io allows you to create your own website. We know WordPress also is an amazing website builder, but when it comes to Breezy, it helps you with an amazing advanced editor that allows you to edit text. You can add photos, images. It's a simple drag and drop that allows you to create an amazing professional website of your own. So if you are looking for a site builder with very modern and very advanced tools and features to help you create your very own productive and creative website, then you can definitely add breezy.io to your WordPress. It has a lot of different templates and it is completely free with more than thousands of different templates. You will be able to create your own landing page, your pop-up designs, and much more. So you can add it to your WordPress. You can see right here, you can add it to your WordPress right now, breezy.io. The next plugin that we are going to talk about is going to be our e-commerce platform, and for e-commerce we have woocommerce.com. You might have heard about WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an amazing e-commerce website is an amazing e-commerce platform that has a lot of different tools, and it also comes with a built-in option within the WordPress. So if you're looking for an e-commerce platform to go with your WordPress, then you can check out woocommerce.com. What happens on WooCommerce is a pretty easy platform to use, very easy to sign up. There are payments, marketing, checkout, shipping, mobile app, enterprise. Then we have extensions. We have different themes. We have community and development option as well. So if we talk about sell, then the payment and marketing option is available in WooCommerce. So you can simply add your WooCommerce as your e-commerce plugin to your WordPress. The next plugin is a translation plugin. You can simply plug in translatepress.com to your WordPress to translate your website into any language you want to. So it's a simple, very easy platform that helps you translate your website to any website, that allows you to convert your website into any language you want to. For example, Chinese, Spanish. You simply select the text, and then you convert it to the language you want to. So this is actually a pretty easy and must have plugin that you should have in your WordPress. translatepress.com for translation. Last but not the least, we have a booking plugin for our WordPress. So if you're looking for a WordPress appointment booking plugin, then you can check out Booknetic. Booknetic is a completely free platform for your WordPress scheduling and booking appointments. You can actually create your appointments and bookings with your Booknetic for your WordPress, an easy plugin that you can simply add to your WordPress for your booking business. What are the different features that we will be getting in Booknetic? We have booking automation. We will be able to create our own customer base. It saves times and cost as well. So the key features of the plugin is fully customizable booking widget. So we can actually add a fully customizable, where we can actually add our requirements, different groups, order step, and other tools as well within our widget. Then we have a dedicated to admin dashboard with modern UI and UX. So this is amazing. If you are it has a well designed structure and initiative. UI UX will add to your software. You will be creating your own store with WordPress as well, so it really helps you with your reporting and with your scheduling as well. You also get your own builder with your Booknetic, and you can then simply schedule and add appointment option to your WordPress website. And then if you are into any business, for example, you have a therapy session, you are any business that has booking required, then you can simply use Booknetic, which is a very easy platform, and you can add it to your WordPress. It comes with a very easy payment method as well, that really helps our customers to kind of like get access to all of the features very easily, and to pay easily. So that is what most of the customers look for, an easy payment method. So if you have this, then you will be able to create an amazing booking plugin for your WordPress. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know some of the best free plugins for your WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.